A person familiar with the city investigation says one focus of the trading probes were the futures contracts tied to the S&P 500 stock index known as the E-mini S&P 500 futures, and in particular that 2-minute window in which 16 billion of the futures were sold. Again, the sources are telling us that Citigroup's total E-mini volume for the entire day was only 9 billion. Suggesting that the origin of the trades was elsewhere. Now, according to someone else close to Citigroup's own probe of the situation, the E-minis trade on the CME. Now, Maria, I want to add something else, just in terms of these erroneous trades that Duncan Niederauer, the NYSE CEO, was just talking about. I mean, we've talked a lot about Accenture, ACN. This is a Dublin-based company. It's not in any of the indexes. If you look in the S&P 500, for example, I show at least 2 stocks that traded to 0 or 1 cent, Exelon and Centerpoint. If you look in the Russell 1000, I show Eagle Materials, Genpact, ITC, and Brown & Brown, also trading to 0 or a penny, and also Casey's General Stores as well as Boston Beer trading today, intraday, to 0 or a penny. So those are at least 8 names that they're going to have to track down on top of the Accenture trade, where we have the stock price intraday showing us at least, we'll assume, a bogus trade of 0.
That is ridiculous. I mean, this really sounds like market manipulation to me. I mean, this is outrageous.
It happens a lot, Maria. It really does. I mean, we could probably ask the NASDAQ. They may not want to say exactly how often it happens, but it happens frequently, and they go back and they correct. And the thing that stinks is if you, in good faith, put in a trade and made money and then lost it, you lose it. And there's no recourse and there's no way to